If you're a C1 advanced user, fixed expressions are extremely important. Here we're going to look at second thoughts, which is a fixed expression and a collocation. There are several meanings and ways of using it. To have second thoughts. To change your opinion about something, or start to doubt it. I think she's having second thoughts about getting married. I'm having second thoughts about taking the job. On second thoughts. Used when you want to change a decision you've made. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? No, actually, on second thoughts, I'll have a beer. On second thoughts, I'll go by car instead of the train. Without a second thought. If you do something without a second thought, you do it without first considering if you should do it or not, without hesitation. She'll spend £100 on a new dress without a second thought. He dived into the river to save the drowning dog without a second thought. If you'd like to learn more fixed expressions, collocations, phrasal verbs and idioms and practice speaking, then why not join our Chatterbox Zoom workshops? They're great value, they're very rewarding, and they're terrific fun. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.